Hey folks, today I'm diving into a topic that's close to home for many of us here in California. We're talking about the Pacific Palisades fire of 2025 and why rebuilding is turning into an absolute nightmare. Spoiler alert, it's got a lot to do with the California Coastal Commission. Now you might be thinking, well, how bad can it be? Let me tell you, it's bad, really bad. The Coastal Commission has a reputation for being one of the most stringent regulatory bodies in the country. They have layers upon layers of rules and regulations that make getting approval for rebuilding almost impossible. Remember Suzanne, the beloved actress from Three's Company? She spent years battling with the Coastal Commission to rebuild her Malibu home after it was destroyed in a fire. Years, people. She and her husband, Alan Hamill, got so frustrated that they eventually gave up and moved to Palm Springs. If someone with her resources and connections couldn't get through the red tape, what chance do the rest of us have? Let's break down why it's such a hassle. First off, there's the endless paperwork. You need permits for nearly everything, from the type of building materials you use to the specific plants you can have in your garden. And don't even get me started on the environmental impact assessments. These can take years to complete and often require multiple revisions. Then there's the waiting game. Even if you manage to submit all the necessary paperwork correctly, the approval process can drag on for months, if not years. And during all this time, you're either homeless or paying out of pocket for temporary housing. It's not just inconvenient, it's financially draining. Finally, let's talk about the emotional toll. Losing a home is devastating enough, but the endless bureaucracy can make the healing process so much harder. Each delay, each rejection feels like salt in the wound. So what's the takeaway here? Rebuilding after a disaster like the Pacific Palisades fire is not just about bricks and mortar. It's about navigating a labyrinth of regulations that can break even the strongest among us. If Suzanne couldn't do it, how can we expect everyday Californians to? If you're facing this struggle, know you're not alone. Share your stories, reach out for support, and let's push for change together. Because rebuilding our homes should be a right, not a privilege. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Stay strong, California. Catch you in the next one.